Excuse me. Good morning, Mr. Gun.
Good morning, sir. Come in. Sit down, please. How can I help him?
Thank you, Mr. It's a pleasure to meet you. I am here to apply for the mechanical technician position advertised in the website.
Okay, sir. What's your name?
My name is Cujia Balbuena.
All right, Mr. Craylen. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, I am from Valledupar, and they up there. I am 36 years old.
Where do you currently live?
I live in my hometown, Valledupar.
Where is your marital status?
Yes, Mister. I have been married for 5 years, and I, the father for the three children.
Oh, congratulations for your family. By the way, what is your hobby?
Thank you, sir. I like to play soccer and to play guitar.
Oh, interesting. I also like to play the guitar. What is your profession?
I am a mechanical technician, senior graduate.
Okay, Mr. Crayling. Tell about your working experience.
Yes, Mister. I have worked in two companies as a mechanical technician. I have worked at Hecolsa for 4 years and at Prodeco for 11 years, both companies in the mining sector.
What is your academic background?
I studied at Sena Valledupar and then currently studying industrial engineering at UNAD. What are you?
Oh, excellent. If you work hard, you get good reward. What are your personal qualities?
Yes, I am very honest and I have a great sense of belonging. I like to work in a team and I have a leadership profile. I am also characterized by being proactive.
What are your skills and weaknesses?
My skills are I adapt easily. I have an excellent interpretation of hydraulic and pneumatic drawings, and I like to look for improvement on a daily basis. My weakness is impatience.
What made you the best candidate for the job?
I am a good candidate because I have the best attitude and excellent skills that allow me to offer great availability and reliability to your machines.
What will we, Gary, we hear you?
You will have an excellent human being and a hard worker in your team.
That's all, Mr. Craylen. It has been a pleasure. We will contact you soon.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gunion, for the opportunity. I will waiting for your call.